In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. If you're keeping an eye on your company's financial health, the balance sheet is one of the most important reports you'll use. It shows what your business owns, what it owes, and the owner's equity at a specific point in time. Let's walk through how to find it quickly and make sure it reflects the exact period and accounting method you need. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation panel in QuickBooks Online. Look for Reports and open it. This takes you to the main reports area where everything is grouped to make it easy to locate what you need. Near the top, you'll see tabs for different report categories. Choose the Standard tab. This is where you'll find the core, ready-made reports that most businesses use regularly. From here, select Balance Sheet. You're looking for the Standard Balance Sheet report, which provides a clean snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity. As soon as you select it, QuickBooks will automatically run the report. Give it a moment to load. The system is pulling in your data and organizing it based on the default settings. Once the report appears, you'll notice controls at the top left that let you refine what you're seeing. You can change the report period to a preset option, like this month, last month, this fiscal year, or a custom range. If you prefer precise dates, adjust the beginning and end dates manually. As you make these changes, the report updates right away, so you can instantly see the results. You'll also see the accounting method option. Choose either cash or accrual, depending on how you track your books. Cash basis recognizes income and expenses when money actually moves, while accrual basis recognizes them when they're earned or incurred, regardless of payment timing. Switching this setting can significantly change the numbers you see, so pick the one that aligns with your accounting needs or the requirements of your advisor. As you review the balance sheet, remember that it's a snapshot for a single date, not a range of activity. Assets should equal liabilities plus equity. That balance is a quick way to confirm things look consistent. If totals seem off, double check that your dates and accounting method are correct for your intended view. And that's it. By going to Reports, opening the Standard tab, selecting Balance Sheet, and adjusting the period and accounting method, you've got a clear, up-to-date balance sheet at your fingertips. And there you have your balance sheet.